Hi, I'm Art, and I have here a 49 cubic foot sliding glass door unit. Today I'm going to show you how to do maintenance on the sliding glass doors. The K249 sliding glass door refrigerator has two glass doors that move along a track. Each sliding glass door rolls on the track on two plastic rollers. Part of maintenance is to make sure that the lower track is clean, because if debris falls in the lower track, it can snag in the wheel opening. If you're having trouble with your doors sliding, if they seem to be sticking, you might want to check to see if you have particles stuck in these rollers. The sliding glass doors are tensioned by this long spring that attaches with a Phillips head screw to the top of the door. There's two settings for tension. To attach the spring to the door, unscrew the screw, thread it through the spring, and carefully screw it right back into the same opening. To install the door, the first thing you want to do is make sure the casters are locked so the door doesn't slide away when you're installing it. Next, with the spring attached, grab the door midway down, lift it into the upper track, and then set it on the lower track. It should slide freely on the wheels.